Hey Glam Fam, welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine Roma here. In today's video, I am going to be doing a unboxing. I'm going to be doing an unboxing from Cult Beauty. Now this is one of my favorite beauty websites to shop on because they always have really great deals. They stock really great brands like Huda Beauty, and they also stock really indie brands like Bakerie, and they also have very good, my cat is scratching on the door, Taffy! And they also stock really good indie brands, and they have great skincare too. They had really great deals on, and I really wanted to buy some goodies from there, so I went ahead and placed an order with Cult Beauty. Okay, so I'm gonna get straight into this unboxing. This is from Cult Beauty. It comes in this box. It also comes in a separate package. Like, I've taken it out of its shipping envelope. This is what you are left with once you take it out of the plastic shipping parcel. So it's in this nice box. It's quite heavy, really sturdy. I like how they package their stuff because, you know, it's not gonna get broken. It's padded in cardboard, so it's really cool. And yeah, it has the Cult Beauty on the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. This is what you have once you cut it open and fold it. And then this is like nicely bubble wrapped. So they package their stuff like really well. So it's got the cardboard, and then it's also got the bubble wrap, and then they also have tissue paper. So I love how they package their items. It ensures that nothing gets broken. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut open the bubble wrap. And then it's like one of the, it's like parcel. And then inside is the black tissue paper. I really love how they package their stuff. And I'm gonna go ahead and open up the tissue paper. I think they must spray it with some perfume like before they send it off because it smells like so good. So here are my goodies. Yay! Okay, so I've just taken the tissue paper out. So what did I get? Okay, so what I got from Cult Beauty is, the first thing I got from Cult Beauty is the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick set. These are their new stick formula. I've never actually tried out an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip or lipstick before, so it'll be really interesting to try this out. This is in the pink set or something. Yeah, this is like the pink ones. So they're all pink shades, really pretty pinks. And are they minis? So they're pretty good. So I went ahead and got the Anastasia Beverly Hills mini lipsticks, and I also went and got a liquid lipstick. I have never tried them out before, so I thought I would give them a shot. So these are the 4 lipsticks, and I'm gonna just, why not, gonna go ahead and swatch them and open them up for you. This is the first one, I think, so these are minis. So this is the called Soft Pink, and the packaging is really pretty. The packaging is really like simple but pretty. It's a glossy kind of thing, and then it says Anastasia Beverly Hills embossed in there. And it's got the little logo right there. It is a really pretty pink shade. So these are the minis, but you do get quite a good amount of product in there. So that is in the shade Soft Pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that. That was horrible to swatch. So it's like a really pretty pink shade. Really beautiful for spring, which is coming up soon. So that's really pretty. Love that. Also, I have been trying to stray from using matte liquid lipsticks because they are so drying for the lips, and especially in the colder months my lips have been dry as it is. So I want to try these lipsticks instead of the liquid lipsticks. This is in the shade Kiss. So this is the next shade in the minis, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that right next to it. That, ooh. Like, that is a shade that I can see myself wearing on a daily. Like, this is very similar. It's really gorgeous. I love that shade. This one I probably wouldn't wear so much, but this one, like, I would be wearing every day. So that is a beautiful shade. The next shade is called Spice. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that just right next to it. This is Spice, and this is like a darker version of Kiss, which is right next to it. So It's more like a warm toned terracotta nude, but that is also really pretty, and definitely I love shades like this. Like I love pinks and nudes, they're my absolute fave. So that's really nice. And the last one is called Dead Roses. Now this is one I'm really looking forward to because it is sort of like a mauvey shade. And I wanted to get the full-sized one in there, matte liquid lipstick, but I wanted to just try it out first, see if the shade suited me. And so yeah, I'm gonna swatch that one. This is, so yeah, that's a really pretty kind of dark pink. That is gorgeous. That is beautiful. That is like beautiful, deep mauve shade. I really love all of them. Definitely have to give the formula a go, but the shades are absolutely beautiful. The next one is, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Dusty Rose. You can obviously tell I love my rosy shades. I just love my pinks, and that is a really gorgeous shade. I've never tried out one of these before. The packaging, honestly, it's not that great. It's similar, very similar to the ColourPop packaging is what it looks like. So packaging isn't that great. The applicator is more like a flat top. I'm not sure if it really has a smell to it. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that here. Very pigmented, hello. Doesn't really have a scent. And the applicator is like a flat top one. Kind of reminds me of like the ColourPop concealer applicator, it's like flat. Yeah, so I really like that too. They all look really, really nice and dusty rosy shades, so I really like that. So next I got the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Now I heard this is really good. I have heard a number of beauty gurus recommend it. This is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I've heard some really great things about it. Apparently it is a firming cream, which, you know, normally need some of that. So yeah, and it's infused with all-powerful guarana extract. So yeah, packaging is really cute. I got the smaller one, and let's go ahead and open it up. I want to smell it. So I say that's just like the first thing I do when I get a new product. I just want to smell it. It's got a little thingy. Ooh, it smells really, really good. It's like a moussey whipped texture. Reminds me of like a custard or something. So yeah, and it smells really, really good. Like, wow. Okay, I'm gonna just try some. Oh my God. Already, like, that's so smooth. It smells amazing. Wow, like coconuts and tropical fruits. So I'm gonna give that a go and see if it really does firm the skin. So I got some skincare because these winter months, my skin has been really quite dry, which is strange because I actually have really oily skin. But in winter, my skin gets really dry and there is still a lot of sun out. I'm the kind of person who my skin gets sunspots really easily. What I would try out this is the Alpha H Daily Essential Moisturizers. I've tried out the sample size before and I absolutely loved it. This is actually SPF 50. It is really great. So I got the full size one, but it also came in this pack with a serum. It actually worked out to be the same price if you bought, I don't know why, but it worked out to be the same price if you bought the two together than it would for just buying it by itself. So I got the Alpha H Daily Essential Moisturizer, and I also got the Daily Essential Vitamin Mist with Bitter Orange. So it is sealed. It takes a while to get the mister to work. It smells really nice. It's got orange in it, so it definitely smells of orange. And this is the Daily Essential Moisturizer, so I do love this, and it's got SPF 50, and I think it is very important to take care of your skin even when it is not summer, because the sun is still out and you will still get burnt. So I am going to use this. It's really good because it's got SPF in it, but it also does not make your skin oily or greasy, and you can wear it underneath makeup. So I really love this. So I'm happy I got the full size. The next two things I got are samples. So I have the Dr. Dennis Gross for Ferrolucal Retinol Wrinkle Recovery Peel. That is a mouthful. It's like a skincare sample, so that's cool. And then this is Oskia London. This is a Renaissance cleansing gel. Another two things that I did get is from a separate Cult Beauty order, but I still haven't opened them yet because I'm saving them for a first impressions. But so I got this, which is the Beauty Bakerie baking flour. This is the flour setting powder. And I haven't opened it yet, but as you can see, it is in the cutest packaging. It is literally in a little bag that looks like flour, which is so cute. Then I also got this from Beauty Bakerie, which is the Beauty Bakerie Liquid Lip Whip. And apparently these are really great. And this is a really indie brand, but a lot of people are talking about it. So I wanted to try out some stuff from there. As you can see, the packaging is really gorgeous. And this shade is really, oh my gosh, it's called Honey. And it is another nude, surprise, but let's go ahead and swatch that. So beautiful. So I'm gonna be doing another video where I test out Beauty Bakerie products. So that is coming. I have never tested out anything from them before. I also want to test out their foundation, which is like the cake mix one, but I couldn't find that on Cult Beauty yet. So hopefully they get it soon. But yeah, this is the Beauty Bakerie flour, and it's meant to make your makeup really matte. I might just have a peek inside. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna open it. I can't help it. I've been wanting to open it for ages, but I'm like saving it. So, if we open it up, look inside. Ooh, it's gold. Really pretty. Okay, I love the packaging. Look at that. Really pretty. Like that gold is so nice, and it says flour on it, which I love. It says Beauty Bakerie flour, and it says better, not bitter. And yeah, so this will be nice to test out. I got it in the shade translucent. I'm keen to test that out. I know they are an indie brand from San Francisco. That's it for my unboxing today, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know if you like seeing videos like this. Before you go, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button before you leave, and give me a big thumbs up too. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.